In the heart of a divided city, a concrete wall stood tall and unyielding, symbolizing years of separation and strife. On November 9, 1989, this wall would witness a powerful surge of hope and unity, marking a historic turning point in the saga of freedom. As crowds gathered, a palpable energy filled the air, igniting dreams of freedom. Among the throngs was a diverse group of individuals, young and old, families and friends, each carrying the weight of their stories. Their faces reflected a blend of fear and excitement. They were the architects of change, daring to dream of a future without boundaries. A young woman, her eyes sparkling with determination, led the charge, shouting for freedom. As the clock struck midnight, the barrier that divided families and friends began to crumble. Cheers erupted as people climbed atop the wall, breaking through years of oppression. The moment was charged with emotion and excitement, a powerful testament to the indomitable human spirit yearning for connection and freedom. The fall of the Berlin Wall was not just a physical act, it was a declaration of unity for a fractured Europe. This moment reshaped the geopolitical landscape, leading to the reunification of Germany and the eventual dissolution of the Soviet Union. It served as a powerful reminder that the quest for freedom transcends borders and ideologies. Today, the legacy of the Berlin Wall lives on, reminding us of the courage it takes to challenge the status quo. As we reflect on the struggles and triumphs of those who fought for freedom, we are inspired to continue advocating for unity and peace in our own lives. The wall may have fallen, but its lessons remain ever relevant.